Want to rank on Google without writing new articles? It's possible, and I'm going to show you exactly how in this quick 3-minute tutorial. If you're tired of writing endless blog posts and still not seeing results, keep watching. I've got a strategy that works. The first trick is leveraging existing content. You've probably already written articles that are ranking well, but over time, they may have lost some of their momentum. So what do? Go back and update your old posts. Google loves fresh content, and refreshing your old articles with new information, keywords or media can give them a second life. Adding a few new sections or statistics can be all it takes to get back on the first page of Google. The second strategy is optimizing for featured snippets. Google's featured snippets are those boxed sections at the top of search results. You don't need new articles to target them, just optimize what you already have. Go back to your existing content and restructure it with clear answers to common questions. Use bullet points, numbered lists, and headers to make your content more snippet friendly. This simple optimization can push your content into that prime position. Next, focus on internal linking. Internal links help Google understand your site structure and boost your content's visibility. Go through your old articles and find opportunities to link to other pages on your site. This not only improves your SEO, but also increases the amount of time people spend on your site. Google loves that. More clicks, more engagement, better rankings. If you haven't yet, you should definitely be considering optimizing your content for long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are less competitive and can bring in highly targeted traffic. You don't need new articles for this. Just go back to what you've written and incorporate more specific keywords that people are searching for. Another game changer is optimizing your images. If you're not already, make sure your images have alt text that includes relevant keywords. This can help you rank for image search results and also give your overall content a little extra SEO boost. Google pays attention to these details, so don't overlook them. But here's something most people miss: content depth. You don't need to write new articles, but you can always add depth to your existing content. If you've written about a topic, dig deeper. Add more examples, data, or case studies to enhance your existing article. The more detailed your content, the more valuable it is to both Google and your audience. Now, if you're thinking, this sounds great, but I don't have time for all this, don't worry. I've tested out the best software to help you automate these processes, and I'm offering an exclusive free trial for one of them, available only to viewers of my channel. You can find the link in the description below, and I highly recommend you check it out to follow along and save time. Here's your key takeaway. Ranking on Google without writing new articles is all about optimizing your existing content. Update, optimize, and deepen the content you already have. It's more efficient, saves time, and can drive traffic without starting from scratch. To quickly recap, update all content, optimize for featured snippets, use internal linking, target long-tail keywords, optimize images, and add more depth to your existing posts. And before you go, don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial in the description below. It's a powerful tool that will help you follow this strategy and make your content work harder for you. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your rankings.